All right, I hope this mic works as good in front of the fan because it's too hot not to have the fan on. We have got to get Bessie running. Bessie is my 12-year-old lawnmower, and with two kids in college, buying a new lawnmower right now is not an option. All right, so the blade stopped working. I found a suspect. I am no lawnmower mechanic, but we are going to figure this out. All right, we got to get this pin. Get you over here so you can see. I got to get the pin out so I can drop the deck. Ingenuity at its best. This thing fell out from under this lawnmower a couple weeks ago, and we had to do that. Quick update. You do not have to pull that pin, just undo the quick release. It's been a minute, so I forgot. I don't think that's normal. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work.
I ordered some parts off of Amazon. I got a couple kits. So it comes with the spindles and the blades and the belt. And then I went ahead and got an air filter, oil, and fuel filter kit. So we'll see what happens when it shows up.